How to allow important app during Do Not Disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Notifications. So you will see notifications is here. So click on Notification. Now here, so click on Do Not Disturb. So after click on Do Not Disturb, so scroll down and click on App Notifications. So after click on App Notification, click on App Notification. So you will select Allow All Accept Selected Apps, Allow Selected Apps. So after selecting, click. So if you want to add app, so Do Not Disturb. So you will select app and click on and you will see app is add. So if you want to add another app, so again click on add app and click on and apps from add app from here. So after add app, click on done. You will see app is add. So if you want to remove, so click on this minus icon. So you will see allow do not disturb app. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can allow important app during do not disturb on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.